His way. All I need's a place to find, and there I'll celebrate.